original Maxwell, and Mia's over there. She's not going to be in this. And I'm going to try the Grasshopper Blizzard from Dairy Queen. It's supposed to be like a mint with chunks of chocolate with something else. I forgot what it was. So let's just open this. Yeah, it has some whipped cream. Woo! Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna try the whipped cream.
Show it to us. Let me see what it looks like.
The whipped cream is cold. Of course. Because we put this in the freezer after we ate our dinner. I mean, before we ate our dinner. So it has chunks of, it's mint with chunks of chocolate and whipped cream. I like it. It's minty. It with the whipped cream, it's kind of good. I like it with the whipped cream. And it's chocolatey and minty. You can really taste the mint. I like it. I give it a 10 out of 10. So, if you like this video, like, and don't forget to comment. Don't forget to comment and subscribe down below.